A high-quality stainless steel water bottle is a necessity for those who prioritize clean, crisp-tasting water without the risk of harmful chemicals leaching into their drinks. Its durability and eco-friendliness make it an essential companion in our quest for healthy hydration and a sustainable future. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 stainless steel water bottles that you need for your everyday hydration. Hey there, savvy shoppers, welcome to our channel. I'm Brand Wizard, your trusted product guide on a mission to save you time and help you find the perfect products that suit your needs. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Product number 1. YETI Rambler 18 ounces bottle. YETI is a renowned and highly respected brand in the realm of stainless steel water bottles. These bottles are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities like camping, hiking, kayaking, and are equally at home in everyday work environments. The YETI Rambler stands out for its exceptional ability to maintain water at icy cold temperatures for over 12 hours and for keeping hot beverages like coffee steaming for extended periods. Its door-coat exterior not only adds a pop of color, but also ensures long-lasting durability, resistant to chipping and fading. Moreover, it's designed to be sweat-proof, allowing for one-handed, on-the-go hydration. Crafted from premium 18/8 stainless steel, the Rambler boasts double-walled vacuum insulation, which eliminates condensation, keeping your hands dry. The addition of chug caps makes sipping a breeze, whether you're commuting in your car, at your desk, or exploring the great outdoors. It's important to note that the chug cap is intended for use with cold beverages and not suitable for hot drinks. Despite its compact 18-ounce size, the Rambler conveniently fits into most standard cup holders. The lid is not just functional, but also features a robust handle and a leak-proof seal for easy carrying without the risk of spills. And when it comes time for cleaning, rest easy knowing it's dishwasher safe, simplifying maintenance. Product number 2. Hydro Flask Water Bottle. Hydro Flask's largemouth bottles are the epitome of versatile hydration solutions. Whether you're craving an ice-cold refreshment on a scorching summer day or a steaming hot sip of your favorite beverage in the midst of winter, these bottles have you covered. Hydro Flask bottles maintain the perfect temperature for your drinks, thanks to cutting-edge vacuum insulation technology. They keep liquids refreshingly cold for a remarkable 24 hours and piping hot for a comforting 12 hours, making them your ideal companion year-round. What sets Hydro Flask apart is its commitment to customization. With a range of lids to choose from, including flip, straw, and standard flex caps, you can personalize your hydration experience. Sip, gulp, or chug, the choice is yours. Designed with user convenience, Hydro Flask features a non-slip powder coating that ensures a secure grip and won't leave any bothersome condensation behind. Plus, when it's time to tidy up, you'll appreciate the dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. Hydro Flask is more than just a functional marvel. It's a style statement. With a vibrant array of sizes and colors, from the compact 20-ounce companion to the generous 40-ounce powerhouse, you'll find the perfect match to suit your taste and lifestyle. Quench your thirst for quality and personalization with Hydro Flask. Product number 3. Iron Flask Sports Water Bottle. Iron Flask Sports Water Bottles are on par with other stainless steel bottles, maintaining the temperature of your beverages, keeping them icy for 24 hours and piping hot for 12. What sets Iron Flask apart is its added convenience: a straw for easy sipping and versatility, thanks to 3 included lids. Straw, flip, and stainless steel. Originally crafted with athletes in mind, Iron Flask's range spans from a compact 14 ounces to a substantial 64 ounces, ensuring it's not just for the playing field, but also for your daily hydration needs. The smaller sizes even slip effortlessly into standard cup holders. The double-walled insulation not only retains the ideal temperature of your drinks, but also ensures a sweat-free, easy-to-grip exterior, even when your hands are damp. Fashioned from premium 18/8 stainless steel, Iron Flask leaves your beverages untainted by metallic tastes. Attention to detail shines through. Laser engraving keeps the logo intact, never fading or cracking. Moreover, your investment is safeguarded by a reassuring lifetime warranty, a testament to Iron Flask's enduring quality and your peace of mind. Quench your thirst for superior hydration with Iron Flask. Product number 4. LARQ Bottle. PureVis Self-Cleaning and Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle. Tired of the hassle of remembering to clean your water bottle only to find it less than pristine over time. Meet the LARQ, your intelligent hydration companion that takes care of the dirty work for you. Equipped with cutting-edge UVC LED technology, the LARQ not only keeps your water pure, but also self-cleans the bottle's interior automatically, like clockwork, every 2 hours. No more fretting about lurking germs or unpleasant odors. The LARQ ensures your bottle stays refreshingly clean. With the convenience of USB charging, you can power up your LARQ wherever you go, making it a travel-friendly choice. But that's not all. This innovative bottle is a master of temperature control. It keeps your water piping hot for a comforting 12 hours or refreshingly cold for a rejuvenating 24 hours, adapting to your hydration needs. Embrace effortless hygiene and smart design with the LARQ, a water bottle that not only keeps you refreshed, but also elevates your lifestyle by taking the chore out of cleaning. Stay clean, stay cool, and stay hydrated with the LARQ. Product number 5. Kyocera 17 ounces. Ceramic-coated interior stainless steel travel mug. This exceptional mug boasts a ceramic-coated interior that guarantees your drink's taste remains pure and unaltered, without any metallic aftertaste. Plus, it's rust-free, ensuring longevity and consistently delightful sips. Compact yet impressively efficient, this slim, double-wall, vacuum-insulated marvel is designed to accompany you anywhere. It performs the dual role of keeping your hot beverages piping hot and your cold ones refreshingly chilled for extended periods. And the stainless steel exterior is a testament to its cool exterior, allowing you to enjoy your hot drinks without burning your hands and preventing annoying condensation with cold liquids. Embrace eco-friendliness with every sip, as this mug encourages you to carry it everywhere and refill as needed, reducing waste and the need for single-use containers. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.